So welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers, and in this video we are quickly going to discuss two things about the wrapped pie, which are very important for you to know if you are participating in this project. So in this particular video we are going to discuss about how to get your wrapped pie deposited in the balance option right here, and also I'm going to show you how you can deposit pie in the wrapped pie to be earning more of withdrawable wrapped pie or pie right here. So this video is going to be very interesting and sweet to you if you are participating in this project. So, and that is why I implore you to make sure that you watch from the beginning to the end so that you understand every single thing. But before we go into today's video, if you are new into my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So guys, before we go into this, let me just tell you, this video is not a financial advice, and I am not telling you to go ahead and deposit your pie in this particular project. This is purely for educational purposes, and let me just tell you, I have been earning and withdrawing a lot from this project. I think I've made about 4 to 5 withdrawals of the pie coin so far from this project. So it's very simple. Now for you to get this unlocked, you need to purchase this Note WPI right here to be able to get your pie right here, to be able to convert. Even today, yesterday I made a withdrawal, and today I actually made another withdrawal. Now first of all, the first thing we are going to talk is how to get this. So there are two ways. I've already told you. The first one is to deposit money right here. So how do you do that? You just have to click on that. So once you click on that, you can see that you can deposit your pie right. Once you deposit pie, it is going to appear right here, and then this is your address. This is the address that you can copy to be able to do that. So how do you go about it? You have to just come over here, click on copy. So once you click on that, so you have to head over to your exchange, and you can see that we are heading over to the gate.io exchange. So you come over to asset right here. So once you come over to assets, you can come over to withdraw right here. So click on that and then click on on-chain withdrawal. So once you click on that, you come over to pie right here. Now you can only come over to gate.io if you have purchased some pie coins and you have it on your exchange, that is on the gate.io exchange. So if you come here and you don't have pie right here, come over to this section right here and then type the name and then search for it, and it is going to appear. So you select it. So once you select it, you can see you have the option to paste your address, and then it is the network will be Pi network, and then you can select the amount of Pi coins you want to deposit right here. So as an example, I'm going to paste the address I copied from the WPI right there. So once you paste it, you select Pi. Pi is already there, so you can see that. So you just come here and insert, and then you can see that the minimum is 0.03 right here. So I'm just going to go ahead for the purpose of this video. I will just insert 2 pi. So I will just click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, you can click on confirm, and then once you click on confirm, then they are going to ask you to confirm your PIN or your password. So I will just go ahead and confirm mine. So once you confirm that, you see that the transaction is currently processing, so it is going to be completed. So the next thing you have to do is just go back, and then I will just head back to wrap pie page right here. So once you head back to wrap pie, so you can see it's not yet appearing here, so you just have to refresh and wait. It is going to load up. So that is the first thing. So that is how you can deposit. So once you deposit it like this, anytime you claim here, anytime you come here to claim, a fraction of this will be deposited here straight away. So now once your balance right here has gotten to 5 pi, you can now come over to swap button right here. You can see that, click on that, and then you are going to just come here and then insert the amount you want to withdraw. That is, if it is up to minimum you can do is 5. So you click on the number, and then you're going to see that they say is valued at pi coin. So the value is the same as that of the pi coin. So you just click on swap. So once you click on swap, it will swap to pi coin. So and then you can now come over to this button right here and then click on that, and then click on withdraw right here. So once you click on withdraw, so then you can link your address. You can see I've already linked mine, and if you were that you have not linked yours, you can see an empty space here, just like this one, where you can copy your address and come and paste right there. Now this is one way to do that. Now let me just head back to home right here. So I've shown you the first way to deposit pi from an exchange. So the second way is to deposit it from the Pi browser, your Pi browser. Let's say you have Pi on your Pi browser. So if you have Pi in your Pi browser and you want to do the same thing, this is how you are going to go about it. So you are going to just come down to the note right here, click on that, and then you are going to copy the address the same way, and then head over to your Pi browser. So this is your Pi browser. You just go ahead and then confirm it, and then it is going to lock you into your Pi browser like this, and then you are going to see right here that you see this pay and request right here. So click on that. Then remember, before you do this, you must have had some Pi in your balance, that is on your available balance right here. So you click on pay and request, then come down to manual right here, click on that, and then come down right here and then paste the address that you copied from the Wrapped Pi page right there. So once you paste it, you can come here, select the amount of Pi you want to withdraw, and then scroll down and then click on send, and then you can now see it on your Wrapped Pi app right here. So that is how it is done. So if you just scroll down right here, you can see the one I just deposited now has actually entered right here. So this is it right now. So anytime you claim, for example, let me just do it. So you can see I have 00 right here, and I've mined about 0.6 Wrapped Pi right here. So let me click on claim. So once you click on claim, you just go ahead, click on OK. So once you click on OK, you can see for this claim I have claimed about 0.6 Wrapped Pi right here, and it has earned me 0.01 Wrapped Pi right here on the balance. A fraction of it came here, and then another fraction came right here. So that is how you can do and be earning this to be able to withdraw. Another thing you need to know is this: anybody that is under your referral and deposit Pi in this particular Wrapped Pi, it is going to be earning you a fraction of Wrapped Pi in the balance option right here. So even if you have not deposited money in the Wrapped Pi right here, if you are refer people and those people have registered and then they have deposited Pi in this app, you are going to earn some tokens in your balance right here from them. So you can just go ahead. That is how it is, and I just thought of sharing it with you so that you know this update and what it is happening in the app. And then if you are not yet participating in this particular project, you need to head over to the comment section of this video and also in the comment section and hit the first link you are going to see, and then start participating immediately. I've withdrawn, like I said, I've withdrawn more than 4 to 5 times, and I think that it is something worthwhile for the community to engage in it. Remember, I said it is not a financial advice for you to deposit anything right here. It is completely your choice whether to do it or not. I just did this video for the purpose of education. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.